Kavinda ukunikili kuthiana kikw'u cha Wokili Kyalo Mbobu utwaiiwe minista muviani wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen niwaweta kana muvia wake nukwatiania na ula wa isalu kuikiithya ukunikili niwasyaa matunda ainene ya kaunti ya Migori. Murkomen niwaweta sieko cia muthemba ta ikosa wana wito batekusisya unene kana unini wa mundu. Kavindani kau tondo beni musau kulivoti kana uthenzi wa mwi wa Mbobu na ula unathiwe ni andu mana ina kamota kisione cha Karen South kuya ilovi weonania ana kwie nundu wa kuwa muno vala ofisa munene wa serikali wa kweka uthenzi Johansen Odoro waweta Mbobu anathiwe isasi nyanya aende tukwatia ripoti.
Minista Murkomen ni watu mangethi ukia kisio kwe musi wa motutia Wokili Mbobu kuwa yumania kuwa kwake aimweta Wokili Mbobu ta mundu nae na umanyi mono maunduni mameao na kutia isiitwa inene nthini wa maundu mameao.
Mr. Mbobu was my teacher and my friend, and we, apart from that, the fact that he taught me, we also worked together. So it's a very sad thing to see him being killed in such a very heinous manner. It's a terrible thing that happened in our country, that someone assassinated or killed a very prominent, hard-working citizen of this republic who was going about his business peacefully. We do not know the motive yet. So I start by saying my condolences to the family of Dr. Kyalo Mbobu. He was a wonderful man. He was, I can say, one of my best teachers. Anybody who studied evidence at the University of Nairobi School of Law remembers his diligence, commitment, hard work, and clarity of mind. Very eloquent, very knowledgeable, and has left a big legacy in our country, particularly in the legal profession. His book on evidence and his research and works on the field of law shall always be remembered.
Murkomen wa kiikiithya Kenya na na musi kana ofisi wake we mwamba na maofisa ma isalu ni maende na uthiana kikw'u cha Wokili Mbobu kuwa yumia weta na kwe mundu witha na uvo utonya kutetheesya eyumilie.
We have been in touch with the DCI since this issue has happened, and I am happy to note that there is some progress that has been made. Some persons of interest have been identified, that those persons of interest are being interrogated, and many others are going to be sought. I pray that the DCI is going to be successful. We thank the eyewitnesses who have already come out, who are in the scene, and many other Kenyans of goodwill who are giving information to the DCI. I encourage more Kenyans to come forward and assist in the process. Anybody who knew anything that is related to this very heinous act to come out, because it is in the interest of us in the security sector and the people of Kenya that the truth comes out and we get to know exactly what happened in this situation. And I am very optimistic that in a very short while we will have very good leads as far as this issue is concerned.
Oingi minista uyu niwaweta kiko ki na inge cionthe cia muthemba uyu cionengwa wito na kuthukuma nikana kuete utheini kila kinaendeie.
It is not in our interest to only resolve cases that are involving prominent persons or persons who are known to us or persons who are our friends or who are holding high office. This is the same spirit that must be applied in every case, including the chief who was murdered, assistant chief who was murdered in this county. When such cases of crime happen, we want to see that the DCI moves with speed to unravel the mystery behind such acts. So from my office, from myself as a person, I continue extending my condolences to his family, and I promise that we will do everything to make sure that justice is served and that the perpetrators are arrested and brought before the court of law.
Kavinda ni kawo uthenzi wa mwe wa mututia uyonania kana wakili Bobu anatiwe ni thayo tina wakuwa kwingi kumana na kuwadho maita nyanya ni mundu ulona iva kuve nake.
Mortem of the late Wokili, and upon having examined the body, we found that Wokili was shot a total of 8 times, and with most of the gunshot coming from the right side of the body. We were able to recover 2 bullets, which are being given to the investigating officer for ballistic purposes. So he bled, there's a lot of bleeding because there was a injury to the neck vessels. There was also injury to the spine. So these injuries were severe enough to cause death.
Vilingi wa Movomo Tongoi TV, nyenita wa Ben Mosao.